What's up, guys? My name is Red Fox from X Record Jr. here, and I am like really tired right now. But I feel like making a video because I'm bored with my life. I ain't got nothing to do. But anyways, today I guess we're gonna be doing cooking with Red Fox or X Record Jr. But I don't know if I want to use the stove or just like cook the microwave, like cook it with the microwave. But we're gonna see what we have. So let's get into it. All right, so we have Hot Pockets, pancakes, waffles, a bunch of shit. Got all this food up here. I don't know what I want to cook. I want to cook something good. What I want to do? I want an egg and cheese sandwich. So we're gonna go ahead and get those ingredients out. Cheese. Eggs. That's it. Then we need bread for toast. So come with me, camera. Alright, we're gonna plug in our toaster right here. Your little handy dandy nasty ass toaster. So, my grandma taught me the first way to make eggs or bacon or anything is to crack the egg open, put it in a bowl, and put it in the microwave if you want it like how they have it at McDonald's, like a little fluffy egg. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. It actually turns out really good. That's how I'm going to make my egg and cheese sandwich. And last time I did it, it actually popped. It kind of exploded, but I still ate it. Because like when I went to go take a bite out of it, it just popped in my mouth and scared the life out of me. So right now we got these good old organic eggs. Can't go wrong there. Organic ones. Not that poor. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and get a bowl. Most likely not a metal bowl or anything, because I don't want that breaking. And crack open this egg right here. That's why I hate organic eggs, because they have that like that feeling on the inside, like on the side. One time I cracked it, like they have this little shell thing right here on the inside too. They have like an extra layer. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave. Like a minute. Alright. We're gonna put the toast on the bread on top of the egg. I'm gonna put it in the toast and it's gonna make a good ass sandwich. So I will get back to you guys when this is ready. And 3, 2, 1, jump. Alright, I'm back in the game. That was pretty sad, messed up jump clip. But anyways, we got the egg here. I'm afraid this is gonna pop on me. It was popping so much in the microwave.
It's not.
We got our toast. We're gonna butter this.
It looks like popcorn.
I want you to butter this, please. Alright. Now I do it. So we got our, if this butter is any good, we got our Blue Bonnet.
Don't you know that there was some butter
That's still
right
good.
in there?
One. One nice crispy buttery toast. Got our buttery toast. Hot son of a bitch, that's hot. We're gonna go ahead and put your butter away. Put your cheese on your toast. I mean on your egg, so the cheese will melt down a bit since it's like hot. Paper plates, because I don't want to use a regular plate because I don't want to wash dishes. I should use the paper bowl for that. Alright, so now we have our little handy dandy sandwich right here. It's really, really good. Takes about a minute to make, but since I wanted to show you guys step by step and everything, it's going to take longer. So, and jump clip. That was terrible jump clip again. So we finished our sandwich, and you can add any sides you want. Like we got you can put graham crackers on the side, Gushers, a brownie, or one of these. I'm gonna do Gushers because I love me some Gushers. How many brownies have you had?
One.
You're a liar.
I had one.
You're a bullshit liar.
I'm not.
How many Gushers did you have?
One.
You're a liar. Stop lying to me.
I only had one Gusher and one brownie and one piece of my bun.
Why eat so many sweets today? I'm not gonna put them on the sandwich. I'm gonna put them beside the sandwich. Like right there. What?
It doesn't even have sugar in it.
It does. So right now we finished our sandwich. We got these good as Gushers on the side, sandwich right here. And thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.